Hello, my name is Chris. Welcome back to my channel again. Today is 2021 November 9th. 今天是2021年11月9日。然后今天那个 story sharing Chris 要跟你们分享的是 Five Wild Dogs 五只野狗。OK， 我们来吧，开始分享画面给各位，等我一下哦。OK， 我把它放大起来 ，Zoom out。OK。Alright, five wild dogs. There was a river in a forest. Once it rained so much that the water in the river rose over the bank. Soon there was a flood in that part of the forest. All the animals' houses were underwater. Then, five wild dogs saved many animals from drowning. Soon the rain stopped and the water level in the river fell again. The king of the forest, the lion, was very happy with the five wild dogs. He called all the animals of the forest for a meeting and said, "These are brave and kind dogs. They will eat with me in my dam for a week. You must all respect them too." All the animals clapped their hands, but suddenly a rabbit said to the lion, "Your Majesty, these five wild dogs are not brave and kind. I heard them talking among themselves. This morning, they said that they had the animals so that they could eat them later." Wow, that's ridiculous. The lion was very angry with the five wild dogs and shouted, "Get out of my forest, you selfish fellows." OK， 最后一段 ，Good deeds done for a selfish motive are not worthy of praise。这句话就是指说啊。他说森林上有一条河，有一次呢雨下的非常非常的大，河里的水呢都涨到了河岸。很快呢，那片森林发生了洪水，所有的动物以及房子都在水的底下。然后这五只野狗就救了非常多的动物免于溺水。很快呢，雨停了，河里的水位又下降了。森林之王，也就是狮子，他对五只野狗感到非常的满意。他召集森林所有的动物，并且开会说：“这些是勇敢善良的小狗，他们会和我一起在我的书房吃一整个星期，所以你们必须要尊重这五只野狗。”当所有的动物都拍拍手的同时，突然有一只兔子对狮子说：“Your Majesty。”陛下，其实这五只野狗既不勇敢，也不善良。为什么？这时候狮子他正在想，万兽之王他正在想，今天早上我听到他们相互交谈，他们说救了动物之后，以便于他们可以吃掉它们。当然喽，狮子听到他会展现出什么样子的表情，一定是非常非常生气，对不对？所以狮子对这五只野狗很生气，然后喊着说：“滚出我的森林！你们这些自私的家伙 ！Get out of my forest, you selfish fellows！” 滚出我的森林！你们这些自私的家伙。OK， 在这个说话的同时当中，你们有没有听到 Justin and Joy 听到一个重点，就是说出自于自私的动机的善行啊，就是不值得赞赏。这一句话是指，就是说， 你是因为有目的而去展现出你的善意，基本上我们都无法接受这一块，因为这绝对不是所谓的善举，它是有表示有目的的，这是不太好的。OK， My name is Chris. Welcome back to my channel. 我 Chris 风魔游戏，希望你能够喜欢我的影片。Just enjoy. See you next time. Bye bye.